Good afternoon. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I am here at 13221 Weddington Street in Sherman Oaks, and I'm in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line for this property. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that is underneath or interior to the structure. Our examination today is not focused on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. So currently I'm sitting 100 feet from our main sewer line cleanout, looking down into our public sewer. Our main sewer line cleanout is located here at the front of the structure, just to the right of the front entry, down in the ivy between our water supply piping and the sprinkler valves. So this is an original maintenance access, and it was certainly suitable for what we needed today. So I pushed out the public sewer, and I'm going to pull back through the system here to record it. As we pull off the public sewer, running back up towards the property here, through a 6-inch vitrified clay piping. This is pretty typical. These clay pipe materials are very common. Now, these clay pipe materials, they are expected to have a long service life, being a natural material. They aren't expected to corrode or deteriorate underground, but they are more brittle in nature and do have a higher potential for damage during seismic activity and earthquakes. Now, this first 40 feet or so, as we come back up under the street towards the property, is pretty clean. This 6-inch pipe's in pretty good shape. Here, as we get about 50 feet out, we start seeing our root intrusions. Now, root intrusions in these original or older clay pipes is common at the joint areas. Normally, we are suggesting that these root intrusions can be maintained with regular sewer line cleanings. It's when they're left unmaintained for extended periods that they can create blockages in a system or potentially damage the pipe. Now, most of what I'm seeing does look like common root intrusion. There are a few areas here where the roots are a little bit more significant and making it difficult, here's an example of that, to really see the condition of the joints, see if anything's been compromised. While there's no obvious signs of damage here, oftentimes in this case we're suggesting it's a good idea to go ahead and have the line cleaned and then perform a follow-up examination. In areas like this, we'd like to try and see better. There might be a little cracking occurring through there. Kind of hard to see with the roots in the way. But being back up here now closer to the cleanout, only about 15 feet from the house, any potential repairs in those areas would be minimal. Now, one final thing here on this system as we pull back out of our main cleanout, I'll pull up looking downward into the pipe, and you'll see here, this is not a standard cleanout fitting. Let's dry the camera off. You see what they did here is they simply punched a hole in the top of the existing pipe and then just stuck this one over top of it, so there's some root intrusions here in this area. So this is a situation where we would recommend a new cleanout fitting be installed, one of the more modern plastic fittings that has a nice sweep to it. That would eliminate any roots here in this area through this hole in the top of the pipe. Alright, so with that, I'm going to go ahead and conclude the video portion of the examination for today. Please do refer to my written report for the final findings and recommendations, including maintenance recommendations. Now, we do recommend that all main sewer lines are examined after any significant seismic activity, and that main sewer line should be examined annually to monitor for changing conditions in a system. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant day.